Ole, student housing is a lifestyle, baby.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sanibonani bafethu. Namhlanje usuku oluhle kakhulu bafethu, mhla ka-20 kuMarch 2026. It's a Friday bafethu. Abanye-ke bathi it's a funky Friday. Namhlanje sinenhlanhla enkulu-ke bafethu ukuthi-ke simenyiwe eDurban, eThekwini, i-Ole Students Accommodation ukuthi-ke iPhezane ize izo-broadcasta khoma.
Ole, 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 student house.
Kumnandi kakhulu ngikuthandile ngale resi le bafethu ukuthi-ke number 1 iy'phuzo azidayisi azingeni.
Student housing. Ole.
Beside that i-safe bafethu kanti-ke futhi okunye okubalulekile ngale ndawo ukuthi-ke inhle kakhulu bafethu-ke kanenhlanhla yokwenza i-tour ngabuka nje zonke iy'ndawo ey'khona la ngaphakathi khona even nane-theatre bafethu, iy'ndawo ezinhle zabafundi zokufundela bafethu, iy'ndawo zokudlala, iy'ndawo zokujima, kuningi kakhulu okukhona kule ndawo lezi.
Best in the game, best in the talk about that lifestyle, that 5-star belief.
Ukuthi-ke uma kwenzeka uba nenkinga yendawo yokuzohlala ufuna indawo yokuhlala uzofunda eThekwini ungabalandela abe-Ole Student Accommodation kuzona zonke iy'nkundla zokuxhumana.